Here we are, 18th day of January, 2025. We're at the first annual Minnesota Sports Show. Hope you guys enjoyed all the RVs. Here we go. We're gonna cruise along at Canterbury Park. It's cold outside. It's like 5 below. So happy July 2025. This comes out. So we're gonna cruise around here, show you stuff from Minnesota. So we got all kinds of fun stuff here. How you doing? Yeah. So it looks like it's called Glacier Lakes. Let's see. South Dakota. That's right. Yeah. Oh, Skittles. Love Skittles. Yeah. 2024 is 2025.
I know. The new one's not out yet.
But yeah, it's.
Yeah, I haven't done a late January show for about 5 years.
Oh, okay.
But,
All right.
Yeah. So, but ours is brand new. Do this.
All right. So you got boat. You shouldn't have 2024. So we're going to cruise over here. You got all kinds of stuff over here. Oh, these finals. Look at that. No. That team is no longer around. Is no longer around anymore. I don't know why they continue to sell that. But my father-in-law loved Bush. But Hams, old classic beer. Flannel, $55. Oh yeah. Look at that stuff. But you got all kinds of fun stuff you can do here, man. You can go on dude ranches. These are kind of cool. $25 for the teas. Good old Hams beer. This is just stupid. Of course, still selling the mark. Yeah. Food, obviously. Oh, look at this stuff, huh?
How's it going?
Not bad.
You want to try a salsa sample today?
Sure, just give me also just one, just something small. That's fine.
Yeah. Do you like mild or hot salsa?
Mild.
Mild. Perfect.
Let's see how good this stuff is, shall we?
You want to try our dip too? In the middle, it's sour cream and mayonnaise with their seasoning.
Sure.
Definitely everybody's favorite.
Yeah, I call it the triple treat.
It's just a seasoning. We just took everything in salsa and dehydrated it. So you just add it to your can of tomatoes. And that's it.
Good enough.
Easy salsa without all the work. Otherwise, we added it to sour cream and mayonnaise. So that's the dip you're tasting. Which is definitely everybody's favorite.
I do the same thing, but I throw ranch in there too as well. Ranch?
Sour cream and mayonnaise.
Yeah, but I throw ranch in there too as well. All three. I throw ranch in there too as well. Ranch dressing.
You could use it as a
No, I do that too.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I call my triple treat. Good. Good stuff. Thank you.
Thank you.
I love free food. See all kinds of salsa here. Look at that. Yeah, okay. But yeah, look at this stuff. So.
Ladies and gentlemen, starting in just 1 minute, don't miss this opportunity today to take in tournament
Nice.
Tom Wynn and his seminar on mastering forward-facing sonar. To get to seminars,
Boat safety, it looks like. Blaze anti-fog. Who's big bad boy?
Mastering forward-facing sonar.
That sucker. Yeah. Over here. The four-legged friends. The kennels. I love dogs. They're up in,
Everybody loves dogs.
what?
Everybody loves dogs.
Not everyone, but I do. I love dogs. I got a Pomeranian.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. Containers, you can buy these containers. So you can rent and buy them. Make houses out of those bad boys. Yep. That's a nice boat right there, that bad boy. Oh yeah. It's like kind of your party barge on yeah. But not asteroids, steroids. So get that bad boy up there, perch up there. Guided bow fishing. A good friend of mine who lives up north does a lot of stuff. There it is. Yeah, this is the first annual Minnesota one. They have the Northwest one now. Oh, here's some nice stuff. I love this stuff. This is cool. Look at this stuff. Ooh, put that in your cabin. $6,000 for that bad boy. Ooh, my goodness. That's nice. These are cool. That's $12 to get in. 4 models for sale. I love that it's made out of wood. It's nice. Chairs are $3.90. It's a nice bunk bed for the kids right there. Viking fog lit furniture. Log furniture, nice. You have all kinds of these wraps. I've seen these before. You can cut stuff. You can cut these things are real sharp, aren't they? Yep, I've seen them before. They do good work. Mm-hmm. There. Bad boys. Midsummer Music Fest. Who's coming? Slow Children, Pretty Boy Floyd, Crossword, Powertrain 5000. Okay. No idea half those bands are. Of course, you gotta love the lures. You'll be fishing in July. Look at that. Look at those things. These are some nice lures right here. Oh, bad boys. Whew. Look at this sucker. Behind you. Look at that sucker. Sharp as hell. That sucker. Ooh. Some weapons there, man.
Howdy.
Howdy. Uncle Jed's Iron, huh?
That's me.
Oh my goodness. Look at these bad boys. Woo. Make all these yourself?
Yep. Coal forge, hammered, and anvil.
Look at that bad boy. Oh.
So that one I hammered and forged out of a train ball barrel. Oh, right, yeah, you told me that one. Yep. That one.
Look at these things.
Handle on that is a spalted tamarind. It's a wood that
What?
stabilized and died.
What's this go for?
That one is $13.45.
Jesus.
I forged that out of a semi-leaf spring. The blade, guard, and tang, it's all integral, so it's all one piece. And then stack leather handle.
Put that above your office and say that's the firing thing.
Yeah, that's the complaint department.
Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Well done. The lodge up there. So you got all kinds of sports stuff. Oh yeah, there it is. Flags galore. There you go. The flagpole. Old Canada, huh?
Old Canada. Have you been up here before?
No, I love Canada. My wife doesn't like to fish, but I love fishing.
She doesn't like to fish?
No, she doesn't. She's a Minnesotan.
So how about something like that?
All right.
We have both places, but that's kind of a place to relax with,
Okay.
with the wife.
All right.
I'd enjoy it. I mean,
Okay.
there's still fishing there.
Never hurts.
Nope.
All right. Thanks.
Must see.
Okay. Perfect. So there you guys. Got all kinds of, so you can water bottle lodge.
I think it's going to be kind of attached, but yeah, most of it just going to get moved.
Yeah. Oh, all right. Thank you. So you have the wilderness canoe trips. Those are fun up there. Those are cool. Those are nice. Lodge. So you can get all kinds of trips here, man. That's the best thing about it. They always have, people have candy here, so got to sell some. A little bit of candy. So,
Blondes.
$49.99 for a bear hunt.
It is. And then
Yum.
that would include
fishing rods. How's it going? Yeah. These are ice fishing.
I do what I do, and
Ice fishing, man.
I get to a point where I can only do so much.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there's so many good ideas out there.
Oh my God. The dogs, huh? $225. Oh. I don't know, my dog would probably rip this apart. What's this? What is this?
Cow's trachea.
Okay. Oh my God, look at this. What's this? What is this?
Smoked beef bone.
Oh my goodness. She'd like that. And these are what? Smoked pig's ears?
Yep.
Woo. Oh my goodness. Some good lures here too as well. My favorite ones right here. These are cool. I like these. It's a nice size. I like the white ones like this. These are nice. Lures. I have enough lures as it is. Look at those big bad boys. All kinds of fun stuff.
You probably talked to more than I
You can have. They've got hoodies and stuff. They have hats. You got all kinds of stuff made here. Adventures.
It can be tricky to get the permits. I can usually,
Yep.
if I know you're coming.
And then you have this is where they make the lake. They made the lake maps. I saw those the other place we're at. So nice. I like all these. I like these lake ones. They're cool. You can see what your lake on. I like those. And you can get over here. So we got all the stuff for the winter. But anyways, these are $200, man. Oh my goodness. You name it, they got it. Let's cruise on through here. Move on over to here.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. All right, so here's the first one of the books. Little trolling motors. Get out on the lake. So, anyways. All right. Send this thing right.